wines. We find it's better to use only one essential oil at a time rather than mixing them. This helps create specific.
The inhalation of essence may restore sleep in cases of insomnia, balance the nervous system when dealing with depression.
The inhalation of essence may exert notable medicinal actions, restore sleep in cases of insomnia, and balance the nervous system.
When we inhale, scent molecules travel from the flower across the olfactory epithelium.
The smell nerve carries the stimulus to different parts of the brain.
Before reaching the lungs and passing into the blood, the molecules of the essence stimulate the olfactory cells in the nostrils.